tell me what that noise is? Every time I accelerate, it's an awful grinding noise underneath. What is that noise? Let's go investigate if I can see anything underneath. Not grinding on anything. Nothing stuck under my vehicle. I don't know what that noise is.